Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can set the lock screen on your People Wallpaper Engine. So this process is if you're using or this process applies if you're using a PC. So keep in mind that you can only use your current home screen wallpaper as your lock screen image. So first what you'll need to do is to go to the bottom right on your screen to hidden icons and then just right click onto the paper engine and then you can go to your settings. And then after that, go to the General tab in the settings and scroll down till you see an option that is called Override Lock Screen Image. You can enable this portion, so you should get a warning if you do this for the first time, but don't worry, it is just a precautionary message. So that is what you'll need to do if you're using a computer. And this is the steps to if you're using a phone. So in your phone, you need to go to your settings and then click onto the wallpaper and style. And then just simply select the my wallpaper option and click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and click onto the live white wallpaper. So if you have the wallpaper engine app installed, it should show up in this window. Now simply click on it and it should show you the wallpaper you currently have live on your PC. So now you can just press the set wallpaper and choose between home screen and home and lock screen as your preference. And that's it for this video and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.